Hello, my name is Robert McMurray, and I'm going to show you the beginning steps on putting together a brand new gaming desktop. These items, most of the items that I got for this gaming desktop, I bought from Amazon.com. But I recommend just searching around for the best deals and go from there, because most time Amazon has the best deals in my opinion, and other times it might be like Fry's Electronics or someplace else. So yeah, if you're not in a rush, then slowly look for the best deals and go from there. So starting out with the computer tower, mostly it's just about looks. For this item, I chose the Tanager S from Roseworld that I bought on Amazon.com because it was a nice, low price, dependable computer tower. It is not see-through as my main gaming desktop computer, but it's tough. So just in case if someone accidentally kicks it or something. And yeah, I just like this design and everything. So for this, we will need a drive, which I chose from Amazon.com, a refurbished Blu-ray drive that will go on the top slot over here. And so that way you can play your Blu-ray movies and everything. And because it's refurbished, it does not come with any cords at all or software. But if you do get this and want software, I highly recommend Cyberlink. Even though it's not one of the free ones. To be honest, I do not trust the free softwares because you don't know if there might be a virus attached with it or something. So I just recommend get a name a name you could trust for this type of thing. So yeah, so this is the refurbished and it also records. If you buy some M-Disc, you can record on them. And it was like when you upgrade or from one gaming tower computer to another one, and both drives accept M-Disc, then it will save you a lot of time transferring. Or as you go, you could just slowly save stuff with this one on M-Disc. So that way, if this crashed because of a virus or something, you have all those discs to put all your video, music, and everything on and files on a new gaming computer. So, and then this is the same power system I have in mine. It's only 800 watts, but that should be enough power for everything you have in your gaming computer, because this is basically a beginning gaming computer. It's not one of those big ones. It's basically a start out gaming computer that you can upgrade over time when newer and more advanced games come out. I'm going to make sure this is more, when I get this completed, it's more than enough for VR, just in case. So that way you can hook up an Oculus Rift or Vive to this with no problem. And yeah, so like I said, all three of these items I did get from Amazon.com. And if you enjoyed this video, or if you're interested in seeing my other videos, just look me up on YouTube. And again, my name is Robert McMurray. And yeah, McMurrer. So, but before we go, let me just put these items in it. Let me go through with you to put these items in the computer. Like I said, I'm not going to hook up the power source to the drive. I am just going to put it in the computer. Don't hook up the power source until after the motherboard's in the computer, which will be a future video. So, yeah, these just twist off, no need for a screwdriver, which is why I like these custom build your own, do yourself, because it saves you some time. Yeah, so when you look inside here, there's cords right here, and up here is where you put your small drive, the SSD drive, which I am going to put on this computer so it can start up really fast. And then a regular hard drive, about 4 or 5 terabytes for now, for all the storage and all the games. So yeah. Okay, look like I will have to wait on that because it's a little bit different than my other gaming computer with as far as getting the front part off to put the new one in. So I will skip to putting this power unit in. Some people want to wait to put a power unit in until after they test their motherboard. But I can still test the motherboard even though this is screwed in. It's basically your adjustment call and everything. So yeah, here is all the cords for like the computer and everything you need. Which I like this one, it's all there and everything. You don't have to worry about losing cords or anything in the future. And then see, like I said, you can just pull out the one for the motherboard, plug into the motherboard to test it out. Okay. And then here's this for the wall. I will be testing, yeah, so slowly testing stuff out as I get it. But I think I'm going to wait to test out the power unit until I get the motherboard, test out everything at the same time, basically. So, as you... So this little bag right here has all the screws and everything that I will need. I'm just going to set the power unit in there for now, because I don't want to accidentally open the bag and lose it, and because it's going to be at least a few more days till my CPU arrive and my at least one 8 gigabyte DDR4. So yeah, so I just want to make sure I have everything before I remove those screws, because yeah, I don't want to take the chance of losing a screw when that arrives. And then if you watch my next video, this one should be in the tower. So that way, after I test the motherboard and it works, I will put that in the tower, plug everything up together, and then do another video where I basically test the whole computer and with everything plugged in and all that, including both hard drives, and install Windows, and then install the necessary drivers that comes with like the motherboard and everything else to make sure everything works. And if you want to know what motherboard I got for this computer, you just have to look me up online on YouTube and watch that video. But here's a hint: I got it from Amazon.com.